Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about space heaters, from the different types available, like electric convection and radiant heaters, to key features that can make a big difference in your home's comfort. We'll also break down how to choose the right size heater for your space, including how to calculate watts and BTUs per square foot to ensure you're getting the best performance and energy efficiency. Stay tuned as we help you find the perfect heating solution for your home this winter. Two of the most common types are electric convection heaters and radiant heaters. In this article, we'll explore the differences between these two heater types, their capacities, features, and more to help you choose the best option for your space. 1. Heating technology, convection versus radiant. Electric convection heaters. These heaters warm the air in the room using heating elements. The warm air then circulates naturally through convection or with the help of a fan. This type of heater is ideal for whole room heating, as the air warms gradually and spreads throughout the space. Radiant heaters. Radiant heaters emit infrared radiation to directly heat objects and people within their line of sight. Rather than heating the air, they provide targeted warmth that you feel instantly, much like the sun on a cool day. Radiant heaters are ideal for localized heating in smaller spaces. 2. Heating capacity and room size coverage. The size of the space you're heating is crucial when selecting a wall heater. Heaters are typically rated by their power in watts or BTUs, British thermal units. 1 watt equals 3.41 BTUs. The requirement is based on the geographical location and the quality of construction. Homes in colder climates and with poor insulation and ceiling will require more heat per square foot. A general rule of thumb is watts per square foot. You need about 10 watts or 35 BTUs of heating power per square foot of space, depending on your location and the quality of your home's construction. The map below can be used as a rule of thumb for the various areas. For example, a 1,500 watt heater will effectively heat a 150 square foot room based on 10 watts or 35 BTUs per square foot. As the map shows, the amount of heat required is based on where you live and the outside design winter temperature, and whether you have a newer home built with the latest energy-efficient windows and sealed tight to prevent cold air infiltrate the home. How to calculate watts or BTUs per square foot. If the heater indicates that it provides 1,500 watts, then this can easily be converted to BTUs as follows. 1,500 watts times 3.41 BTUs per watt equals 5,115 BTUs. Take the total watts or BTUs and divide it by the square footage of the room as follows. 1,500 watts divided by 150 square feet equals 10 watts per square foot. Or 5,115 BTUs divided by 150 square foot equals 34.1 BTU per square foot. One manufacturer may state that their heater covers 200 square feet, while another states it will only cover 150 square feet. If they both put out the same amount of heat, such as 1,500 watts, then you can determine how much heat is provided per square foot for each. If you use the first heater for a 200 square foot space, you'll only get 7.5 watts per square foot. The other heater stated 150 square foot coverage, which would give 10 watts per square foot, a much higher heat content for the area served. The higher the number, the greater the amount of heat per square foot. Here is a quick reference chart that allows you to quickly determine how many watts or BTUs you might need based on where you live and the quality of your home's construction. Just select the size of your space and the watts or BTUs per square foot that fits your home's unique situation, and at the intersection of the two, you'll find the required heater capacity. A lot of the manufacturers seem to use 10 watts per square foot as the standard when indicating the size of the room that the heater will cover. It's up to you to determine if this is the correct amount of heat based on where you live and the condition of your home. Remember, the older your home, the more likely it lacks upgraded energy-efficient windows and wall insulation, and probably leaks cold air into the home through cracks. Convection heaters typically range from 500 to 2,500 watt, making them suitable for room sizes ranging from 50 to 250 square feet. Larger models can heat entire living rooms or bedrooms, while smaller units are perfect for offices or bathrooms. Radiant heaters typically range from 300 to 1,500 watts and are best for smaller areas or targeted zones, such as 50 to 150 square feet. They provide immediate heat to people or objects directly in front of them, but aren't designed to heat large rooms. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for some of the top-rated space heaters we recommend, so you can find the perfect one for your home. 3. Installation methods. If you're not using a floor-mounted or tabletop version, then you'll need to consider whether you'll need professional assistance for the installation. Wall heaters typically come in two types of installation. Surface-mounted heaters. These units attach directly to the wall and are easier to install. They take up some space but can be installed quickly. Recessed heaters. These are installed within the wall, saving space and providing a more seamless look, but they often require professional installation as they involve cutting into the drywall. When you get above 1,500 watts, the electrical requirements may increase from 120 volts to 240 volts. This would require the use of a licensed electrician to ensure a safe installation. Convection heaters, available in freestanding, wall-mounted, and baseboard styles. Wall-mounted units save floor space and are more permanent, while freestanding models can be moved from room to room. Radiant heaters, usually portable and freestanding with no complex installation required. Some can be wall-mounted, but are primarily used as portable heaters for temporary or focused heating. 4. Features and safety features. Both convection and radiant heaters come with a variety of useful features. Thermostats. Adjustable thermostats allow you to set and maintain the desired room temperature. Timers. Built-in timers let you program the heater to turn off after a set amount of time, conserving energy and improving safety. Overheat protection. Most modern heaters feature an automatic shut-off mechanism that kicks in if the unit overheats. Tip-over protection. Especially important in portable models, this feature ensures the heater automatically shuts off if it's knocked over, preventing potential fire hazards. 5. Digital displays and Wi-Fi capabilities. Digital displays. Many modern space heaters now come with LED or LCD displays that make it easy to see the current temperature and adjust settings precisely. Wi-Fi capabilities. Some advanced heaters offer smart home integration via Wi-Fi, allowing you to control them remotely through smartphone apps or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This is a particularly useful feature for zone heating and energy efficiency, as you can adjust the heat before entering a room or while away from home. 6. Noise levels. Fan-powered convection heaters. These heaters use a fan to push warm air into the room. While effective at distributing heat quickly, they tend to generate noise, which may be a consideration in bedrooms or quiet spaces. Non-fan convection heaters. Models like oil-filled radiators are virtually silent, as they rely on natural air circulation instead of fans. These are ideal for those who need quiet operation. Radiant heaters. Typically silent since they don't use fans. This makes them an excellent choice for quiet spaces like bedrooms or offices. 8. Portability. Convection heaters. Portable convection heaters are generally lightweight, and many models come with handles or wheels for easy movement. Wall-mounted or baseboard heaters, on the other hand, are more permanent solutions and are not designed to be moved once installed. Radiant heaters. Most radiant heaters are compact and portable, making them perfect for quickly moving between rooms. Their lightweight design ensures easy transport, and they're ideal for areas where you need immediate, localized warmth. 9. Energy-saving features. Eco mode. Many space heaters, especially convection models, now offer an eco mode, which adjusts the heat output automatically to maintain a comfortable temperature while reducing energy consumption. Timers and thermostats. The inclusion of programmable timers and thermostats on both convection and radiant heaters allows you to control when the heater runs, preventing unnecessary heating and saving energy. Zone heating. Both types of heaters are great for zone heating, where you only heat the room you're using, reducing the energy required to heat the entire house. 10. Ease of use. Many convection heaters come with remote controls, digital displays, and smart thermostats, making them easy to operate. Some models even offer Wi-Fi connectivity for added convenience. Radiant heaters. These heaters are simple to operate with basic knobs or dials to control the temperature. While they lack some of the high-tech features of convection heaters, their simplicity makes them intuitive and user-friendly. Conclusion. When choosing between an electric convection heater and a radiant heater, it's essential to consider your heating needs and the specific space you intend to warm. Convection heaters are best for larger rooms or spaces that require consistent heat, while radiant heaters are ideal for quick, focused warmth in smaller areas. Both offer a range of features, from digital displays and Wi-Fi connectivity to safety measures like overheat and tip-over protection. By comparing the different capacities, noise levels, and energy-saving options, you can find the heater that best fits your needs and lifestyle. Check the link in the description below for some heaters we have selected for your review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our HVAC and plumbing estimating spreadsheets to streamline your construction bidding process. Check out our HVAC, electrical, and plumbing construction forms to help you run your business, and explore our online courses for in-depth training. You'll find everything you need to level up your skills and efficiency. Links are in the description below. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.